Today I'm showing you kitchen gadgets and hacks from Teemu that every home cook should know about, and bonus, they are super affordable. And I'm not even talking about extra clutter in your kitchen. These are legit products that can save you time. This box cutter is super cute and only 88 cents and perfect for your kitchen drawer. Dipping trays are a must for dumplings and super awesome for kids' food as well. Teemu is amazing because you can get high quality items at a low cost and they have a huge selection. Download the app today. New Teemu users will get 50% off their first order. You can find that link in the pinned comment. If you like to prep fruit and veggies for your fridge, Teemu has a ton of great options for prep containers, and you definitely need this pasta strainer. It's less than $6 and you don't have to wash any colanders. I also love this produce washer that I got. I use it all the time for my fruit, and this chicken shredder has changed the game. It is so fast and it's super inexpensive. I love it. Probably my favorite thing I've purchased is this gravity fed pepper grinder. So if you want to check out Teemu and get 50% off, download the app today.